Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about Sprint and an amazing deal that they have finally brought back. It's a very good deal. It's a very cheap deal, so I think everybody will like this. And if you get Sprint coverage in your area, this will work for you as well. Like if you have Boost Mobile and you have area, coverage in your area, it's the same thing. They both work off of the same network. So let's get into it, guys. Sprint currently has a $35 unlimited Kickstarter plan, but right now they're saving you actually another $10. Where you can only get it for $25 a month, which is an amazing deal. Everybody can afford it. Like I said, if you need a cheap cell phone service, this is the way to go, especially with one of the major carriers like Sprint. Now, don't ask me with the whole merger thing how it's going to go, because like I said, more details are coming through. But yeah, let's get into it, guys. So this offer, you can only get it through Best Buy, guys. You cannot get it through Sprint or their, either their website or their store. If you actually go through Sprint, they don't offer this plan at all. They just offer the $35 plan. So I think this is a way for them to get into a different market like Best Buy, even though they're there, but maybe to grow their customer base bigger there, since maybe they're not going to have as many stores, corporate stores. But yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see here, guys, Sprint Unlimited Kickstart, $25 a month, save up to $100 on unlocked phones. They especially with this deal, guys, they have another deal going on where they can actually get you $100, or you can save up to $100 on unlocked phones, and you can use that towards the Sprint Unlimited Kickstarter $25 plan, because another requirement is you do have to bring your own device, either an unlocked device or a compatible Sprint device, so customer owned equipment or something like that. So it says get the limited Kickstart plan with unlimited talk, text, and data for just $25 a month when you add a new line for Sprint and activate via one-time pay. So then it's saying upgrading on Sprint, save $10 a month on Unlimited Plus and Unlimited Premium when you bring your own phone or purchase an eligible phone and activate it for Sprint via one-time pay. So of course you can watch the video here. You can shop unlocked phones for Sprint. Here's some of how their cheapest unlimited plan, $60, versus their unlimited Kickstart $25 plan goes. So one line's $25 a month. It says free text and basic data in more than 200 worldwide destinations. It is included in both. Now, what's not included is there's no mobile hotspot on this plan. You get 500 megabytes, wow, a line a month on the unlimited basic, which is basically nothing, man. You burn through that in a couple hours probably, if that. Unlimited extras not included, and of course on the unlimited basic you get a one Hulu limited commercial plan per eligible accounts. And then here you can see some phones that are actually eligible for the discounts. Actually took a couple other notes here. There are some restrictions, like I said. Unlimited talk, text, and 4G LTE data. Video streaming limited to a resolution of up to 480p. Now, when it comes to these situations when it says it's limited to only 480p, which is not even HD, it's just standard, really, really not. You can actually stream up to 720. I've tested it out on many services where it says it only goes up to 480. So you can watch videos in 720. You will not be able to watch videos in 1080p. That's for sure. That you will have to get, a top tier data plan, aka more expensive plan. But you can watch in 720, and I can live with that, especially if you're watching on a cell phone. Who cares? Music stream limited up to 500 kilobits per second. Gaming stream limited up to 2 megabits per second, and no mobile hotspot. Like I said, you do have to bring a BYOD or bring your own device, so you will have to buy an unlocked phone or a compatible Sprint device. But like I said, you can save up to $100 right now if you go through this deal. So let's go ahead and just check out, let's check out an LG for instance, So as you can see with activation today, there's different savings there that you can get. Wow, LG Style 5. Ooh. So yeah, they actually have pretty good deals. Like the G7, wow, it's only $200 with activation. That's pretty good savings. Let's go ahead and check. Like I said, they have many phones, iPhones, whatever you need. If you buy this phone unlocked, you can get it put on this plan. So it's a very good deal. Like I said, It does have some limitations and doesn't come with Hulu like their $60 basic plan. But hey, you know, it's a pretty good deal for $25. You might get this for a kid. Yeah, or you know, you might even get it for a loved one. Just add a line. I mean, it's simple as that. Even if you're kind of like starting service or anything like that. But pretty good deal. Like I said, just check your coverage in your area. Just go through Sprint.com and then go under coverage, and you will see a coverage map. See if they have coverage in your area. I said here, I live kind of like out in I wouldn't say the country, but more outskirts of town. And out here, U.S. Cellular, Verizon, AT&T, and Sprint work, but T-Mobile really does not. So it really does depend in your area. So yeah, so let me know in the comments below what you think, guys, and yeah, let me know. So please comment, rate, subscribe, and check out Honey. They are my supporters. So Honey is a free web browser extension. I'll find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Walmart, Best Buy, Boost Mobile, even Sprint. Check it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic. That will be in the description below. When you make your first purchase, I do get a small commission, which helps bring more stuff to the channel. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.